Hi everyone, this is Miguel Hermina, your Mr. Gay World Philippines 2025.
Hello, congratulations, Miguel Hermino, for winning Mr. Gabriel.
Yes. So thank you so much, Mami Ten, sa
Yeah,
support.
as I predicted and as I told you, di ba, na sumali ulit dahil I think and I have a right feeling that you're gonna win tonight.
Yeah, so yung mga tao na nag-convince sa akin to join
Yeah.
for the second time, naku, nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyong lahat. Isa ka na doon, Mami Ten, for pushing me. And hindi naman ako nagkamali ng desisyon. I got the crown right now. And I will be representing the Philippines sa international stage. So, yeah, thank you so
How
much.
does it feel right now that you already had that crown? Kasi last year medyo malapit na tayo but you wasn't able to get it. But now, ayan na, nasa na ang corona. How are you feeling right now? Cloud9 maybe? And aside from that, what is it?
Self-fulfilling. Yun yung pinaka-term. Kasi this is actually a one-year preparation for me. Yung big camp ako. Kaya nakaka-overwhelm, nakakatuwa kasi lahat ng sacrifices, lahat ng hard work na ginawa ko for the whole year, talagang nag-paid off na siya. So yun yung pinaka-self-fulfilling dun sa experience, Mami Ten.
Okay. Parang lahat ng tao ay tumayo at nagulat sa advice mo sa little self na you makukuha niya ang victory and the victory is tonight.
Yes.
It was really a heartfelt answer.
Actually, Mami Ten, nung nakita ko yung photo ko, I was very emotional kasi yun na lang yung nag-iisang photo ko nung bata ako. Wala nang naiwan, yun na lang talaga. So nung nakita ko yung photo sa isang malaking screen, talaga nag-flashback lahat ng pinagdaanan ko since I was a child. It was not easy kasi especially I came from broken family kasi eh. So talagang challenging na lumaki na nasa nanay mo lang, you're not seeing your dad, you're not seeing your brothers and sisters. So isa yun sa mga challenges na na-encounter ko during my childhood. Kaya yung sagot ko kanina, it came from my heart. And wala pong script yun. It is not actually scripted. Wala akong idea sa magiging final question. And I wasn't expected talaga na ganun yung magiging setup ng tanong. So, sure, wait. Kaya yun. So, sa mga audience as judges na naka-appreciate ang sagot ko, maraming salamat.
Okay, you are now already the symbol of the gay community, the LGBT community.
So, since I'm representing the whole LGBT community, I will continue to be an inspiration, Mami Ten, sa lahat ng mga tao na talaga nakaka-experience ng discrimination, equality, and bullying as well, di ba? So, I will make sure na I will be working with different organizations para mas mapa-enhance pa natin yung connection natin with our brothers and sisters in the community.
You'll not only have that crown, but also you'll have the heart for all the LGBT communities out there. Lastly, congratulations again to you, the newly crowned Mr. Gay World 2025, Miguel Hermina. Congratulations again. Enjoy your journey.
Yes, thank you so much, Mami Ten.
Of course. Thank you.